The E vowel is a long, high front, and tense vowel in American English. It is often referred to as the long E. This is a tense vowel, meaning you'll feel more tension in the muscles of your face and tongue. The E vowel is most frequently represented by the letters Y and E, but it can also appear in words spelled with the letter I or other vowels in specific cases. Try smiling gently and saying E while keeping your tongue high and forward in your mouth. Feel the tension in your cheeks and the front of your tongue. This is the base sound for E. The corners of the lips pull back quite a bit. The jaw drops, but not too much, just a little bit. The tip of the tongue is behind the lower front teeth, and the middle front part of the tongue is arched up towards the roof of the mouth. This vowel sound can be confusing for Spanish speakers, not because it's missing from our language, but because we tend to use it too much. Many times, we replace other English sounds like I with E, even when it's not correct. This substitution is inaccurate. The E vowel is longer and tenser, meaning you'll feel more tension in the muscles of your face and tongue. However, I is shorter and more relaxed, meaning the muscles of your face and tongue are less tense, and the movement feels more natural. Watch closely how my mouth moves and how the sound changes when I pronounce both vowels. E, I, E, I. Let's compare E and I. The vowel E is higher in the mouth. The tongue is almost touching the roof. It's also more tense and pushed forward. Now, the vowel I is a bit lower and more relaxed. The tongue isn't as high or as tense, and it sits slightly further back. Because of that, E sounds sharper and brighter, while I sounds softer and more neutral. The E vowel behaves differently depending on stress. In English, vowels tend to be clearer and more pronounced in stressed syllables, but can become weaker or change in unstressed syllables. When stressed, E is pronounced with full intensity. E. The pitch of the voice glides up and then down. E. The mouth opens just a little bit, and the vowel is pronounced louder, with more energy and pitch variation. E. E is stressed in the word green. E. Green. E. The mouth opens just a little bit. The corners of the lips pull back, recreating a soft smile. The middle front part of the tongue is high in the mouth. When unstressed, E can sound shorter and weaker. E. E. This is because in English, unstressed syllables are pronounced more quickly and at a lower pitch. Therefore, we hear a much more relaxed version of the vowel. E. E. E is unstressed in the word busy. E. Busy. E. Watch my mouth when I pronounce the second syllable of the word busy. The E vowel looks more relaxed and the mouth is more closed. Compare the pictures. Stressed E on the left. The mouth is more open and the lips are stretched outward. Unstressed E on the right. The mouth is more relaxed. The jaw drops less and the lips are less spread. E in stressed syllables. Green. E. Green. E. peace, E, peace, E, police, E, police, E, E in unstressed syllables. Coffee, E, coffee, E, busy, E, busy, E, easy, E, easy,